If your Ford Focus suddenly shows the message high engine temperature, stop safely, the first thing you need to do is not ignore it and pull over immediately. This warning isn't just a dashboard quirk. It's basically saying that your engine is running too hot and could suffer serious damage if you keep driving. Now, many owners have noticed something interesting on forums. Sometimes the message appears even when the engine doesn't seem to be in the red zone. This happens because the car may receive faulty signals from the sensors or is simply being extra cautious. It's like your Focus has a sixth sense for heat and wants to warn you before it's too late. One of the most common culprits discussed is the radiator fan. If the fan doesn't turn on when it should, the engine doesn't get enough airflow to cool down, and the warning pops up. Several owners fix the problem simply by checking fuses, relays, or the fan itself to make sure it's working properly. Another classic issue that keeps coming up is a faulty thermostat. This little guy regulates coolant flow, and if it stays closed, the liquid doesn't circulate and the engine heats up like eggs in a frying pan. Many owners confirmed that replacing the thermostat and bleeding the cooling system solved the overheating warnings. It's also important to pay attention to the engine temperature sensors. If these sensors send incorrect data, the Focus computer might think the engine is boiling even when it isn't. Some shops recommend checking or replacing these sensors if the message appears frequently without real signs of extreme heat. And of course, don't forget the basics. Check the coolant level. Several users report that the warning disappeared simply by topping off the reservoir or fixing a small leak. Sometimes the simplest fix is the one most overlooked. Finally, some forum users point out that the message can be caused by an electronic glitch or the ECU misinterpreting readings. In these cases, a scan with an advanced diagnostic tool helps identify false codes or communication issues between sensors and the module.